Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Earn to Spot in Binance. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Open the Binance website on the browser of your computer. Click on the Earn option shown at the top of the screen. Go to the Simple Earn option. Here, you can see My Holiday Package on the right side of the screen. Click OK to earn your wallet here by clicking on the wallet icon. It will open the assets of Binance. Click on the Earn option under the Assets section. Here, you'll be able to see Simple Earn, Staking, and Launchpad. By clicking on Auto Invest, you have to click on My Index link. It will show you the currency and you have to click on Reconnect. After that, the default will be for fast redemption. I've chosen 2 USDT for redemption. Click on Confirm and hit the View Holding button. And now, you can see it in your wallet. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.